Got the wife's 1993 Bronco 302. I'm changing the heater core in it, which thank goodness is very easy. Right in here, you just pop this glove box cover off, kind of bend it back and it pops out here. I think the lighting's crappy. It pops out, and that's easy. And then you got this plate here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 8 screws there. And this comes off of here and it drops right down. And you can see the 2 holes there where the necks go through there. And it's pretty easy. It took me, I don't know, 15 minutes, 20 minutes to get it out, the old one out. Yeah, pretty easy. You know the deal is pull your 2 hoses off. You got the old and new one in here. So always check your parts when you get them, but looks like they're both the same. So this one's leaking on the floor, so she's done. I'll be throwing this one back in there, and I'll update you when I get it in there. Let's see if it's so easy that I can do this one-handed. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh no, wait! I gotta put that foam stuff around it. Booyah! There it is. Talk about easy. That is great. It's so nice with the old trucks. Man, this stuff is just easy to work on. You know, it's cheap, parts aren't much money, and just about anybody can do it. I'm gonna bolt this thing back in there. It just slides right up in there like it came out, and then put the hoses on. Put some coolant in there. Start it up, let it run, and top it off with some coolant, and we'll be good to go. Get some heat again. These 2 hoses on here. This side's got an actual hose clamp on it. It's probably better to swap that out too, instead of this, I don't know what it's called, just the pinch kind, because they don't always stay as tight. But I'm just going to run with it. I'm going to see if it leaks. And if it does leak, I'll just change it. Okay, get some more pliers there. The J-Man's here. We'll see what that does. Should hold her pretty good. So I forgot to mention this little cable here for the flapper door. You just gotta pop, it's a clip on the back. It's kind of a pain. And you pop that off before you take this cover off. Just wanted to mention that because I forgot. Add a little coolant here.
Oh.
Pro pour.
Look.
Pro pour, look at that. Hardly any spillage.
Amazon's address. That might be Amazon's address. Look, it's your thing.
leakages. I think it looks alright. That was from before. Any fresh stuff.